Have you been looking for a way to truly convert your sales, to generate leads, to integrate with other sites, and also to have AI help you out? Well, with AI Sales Converter, you can do all of that and more. Using AI Sales Converter, you can generate your leads, you can reach out to people, and also you can even create coupons to give them access and make them want to purchase your product even more. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby and I'm taking you through AI Sales Converter and all that it offers you. When you log in with your email and your password, you're given access to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see your quick links like your total campaigns, the total products you have, the number of conversion rates in percentage, and the user visits that you have. You can also see your campaign statistics. You can also see your most suggested product. And before we go on, I'll take a short example to test out AI Sales Converter. So let's take a look. Get started. Let me include a name. So as you can see, we've gotten the offer. We can choose to click here, which will link to whichever website we add in AI sales. My God, converter, what the hell? We can click here and which will lead to any, URL that we add from AI Sales Converter. And also we can copy the coupon code, which can be used by any of our customers. On the AI Sales Converter platform, we can take a look at the dashboard, which you've seen, the campaigns that we have. We can choose to create new campaigns, enter a campaign name. Create a new campaign. We can choose the campaign type. The first one was a lead generation. That is why it came in that order. You can choose if you want to sell products and services. You can choose if you want to book qualified calls. Okay, you can add the name. The meeting URL, you can just add the Google link. You can enter a short description. We can choose if you want to include testimonials at the end of our survey, or we can choose if you want to add an exclusive discount coupon code, which we did in the previous one. And you can also include how the previous coupon code will be. Save and continue. And you can see, based on what we've input, we can see all the suggested questions. You can take a look at them. And if you want to regenerate, you can click on regenerate questions. But if you're fine with them, you can save and continue. Next, we can take a look at the theme of the widget. This is when we embed the software on another website. So we can pick anyone. Now we've selected one, we can choose our page theme. You can pick one and continue. Now we can see the link that we can share to others for them to use it and to have access to it. You can see the embed code that will allow us to use the widget in our website. Next, we can take a look at the integration panel. And on the integration panel, we can integrate AI Sales Converter with OpenAI, that is ChatGPT. You can include your OpenAI key and you can integrate it with other autoresponders. When you're done with that, you can save. Next, we can take a look at the leads that we've generated. And we can select the campaign we want to take a look at. As you can see, these are the leads that have been generated from this campaign. You can choose to view the responses. And next, we can take a look at the video tutorials. And finally, we can take a look at settings, where we can change our information. So as you can see, AI Sales Converter is a very powerful tool. You can use it to generate leads, you can use it to create leads, you can use it to integrate with other platforms. A link to AI Sales Converter is in the description of this video. And if you have any question, need any clarification, you can reach out to us and we'll definitely answer you. Don't forget to subscribe to Software Safari, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.